Yes, today now we will learn about leadership. So, first thing is that what is leadership? We whenever we talk about our profession, we know that we want to be a leader, we want to lead the team in the profession. So, there is a question, how can we be a good leader? The first thing is that we must know what is leadership. Leadership is something different, that is different from politicians, that is different in technical field, because this is the ability to develop a vision that motivates others to move with a passion towards a common goal. First thing is that it is, creating a way for people to contribute to making something extraordinary. That means we wish that the team should be motivated, they should perform, they should accomplish their task. So that means we are moving towards the common goal. There are four factors of leadership. We have four factors in between. We know that two are the participants. One is leader and the others are followers. That means teammates. So they must have two things that is in common. That is, first is communication and second is situation. That means when we have a team, leadership requires two things, that is strong communication and the action as per the situation. So, leader, you must have an honest understanding of who you are. First of all, you have to assume that you are a very good leader. What you know and what you can do. Second, what you know about your team, what you know about the strength of your team, what do you know about the weaknesses of your team, and what you know, how can we perform better in a team. Second thing, what can you do? So, what can you do? Yes, first thing is that you can do one thing, that is to motivate your team. Second, why do you need to motivate your team? To be successful. So you have to convince your followers, not your superiors, that you are worthy of being followed. So to be successful, you must be a very good leader. Second is follower. You must know your people. So it means that you must know the strength of your people. You must know the profile of your people, their skills, technical skills, their interpersonal skills, their soft skills, and whatever strength they have. The fundamentals starting point is having a good understanding of human nature, such as needs, emotions, and motivations. Third factor is communication. Yes, the first is communication in two forms, verbal and non-verbal. So, non-verbal communication is leading, because you know that by observing body language, you can understand what expression or what kind of communication is there amongst the team. So when you set example that communicates to your people, now it means that uh, there is no need of doing anything or saying anything, because actions speak louder than words. And you know that the communication, if good communication, if effective communication is there, so there is no need of any other thing. Second thing, you know that sometimes we have poor communication, we have bad communication that may harm the relations between leaders and employee. So communication network should be strong. Second thing, leader must know that what is going on amongst the team, which type of communication is moving amongst the team, whether that is formal, we have upward, downward, horizontal, and vertical, or is there we find that is there grapevine is moving all around. So it means that we must know about the formal communication, effective communication, and at the same time, we must know that there should be communicative environment amongst the people. Next is situation. We must use our judgment to decide the best course of action and the leadership style needed for each situation. Sometimes, you know, that situations they allow us to perform differently. What we do in one situation will not always work in another. So, situation decides in which situation we will work in one way and in which situation we will work in another way. So, situation may, differentiate something that is in us, Maybe we are good performer, maybe we are better performer, maybe we are the best performer. It is decided by the situations. So now that in all we know, there are four factors of leadership. First of all, we must understand that these factors are really important in leadership. So that it means leadership is somehow that is different in at your workplace, that is different from as an employee, or just that is different from as a leader. So now we know that these four factors are really valuable for us. We must know about it. We must understand the team, and accordingly, we must take the action. Now, thank you, students.